Hello, my name's Tab with Local Marketing Co. I believe Cody called in earlier to talk to you guys. We wanted to give you a little screencast of marketing audit to see how your online presence is comparing to others in your area. So looking at your site, it is very appealing. Love the beach. So it's really nice. Looks like it's easily laid out. Nice text, big, organized. It's all looking pretty nice and neat. One thing I would recommend is just maybe adding a little bit more content on your homepage. Google really does love content. The more you have that's applicable to your service, the more it is easier to rank. And in that content, including some keywords that you could be ranking for in the area. So looking at your stats here, we are ranking for 127 words, so that's really nice. We're getting about 155 people organically to your site per month. So that is pretty good. One thing I do see is your backlinks. You only have 42, and out of those, only about 24% of them are giving your site power. So that's why this number right here is so low. These numbers, we kind of want to be a ratio. So this one you would want to get up to 13. So do that, you need some more backlinks that are going to be giving your site power. Looking at the words you're ranking for, I see Kids at Family Dentistry that gets 100 searches per month, and you are position 5. So you're about halfway down the first page. That's not too bad. Dentist Silverdale Watt, that's getting 200 searches a month, so that is definitely where you're going to want to target. And it looks like you're 11, so you're on page 2 of that. Typically, the first 3 spots on Google are going to be getting the most clicks, and so you're going to be getting the least amount of traffic on that page back there. Silverdale Dentist, they have 100 searches a month, you're number 9, so again, you're at the bottom of the page. Dentist of Silverdale, there's 60 searches, you're number 8. So a lot of these you are hanging around the first page towards the bottom, but some of them you are creeping onto the second page. So looking at one of your competitors, their site, I mean, it's pretty minimal. They don't have a lot of content, but what they do have, looking at their stats, is the backlinks, and they have a lot of them giving them power. So that's kind of where they are outranking you. As you can see how much traffic they're getting per month because of that, it's crazy. So if we up our content on your site, and then if you get some of these backlinks giving you power, you could definitely outrank them and get on top of them on Google. Some of those keywords they got are Silverdale Dental Center. They got the first position, Silverdale Dentist, first position, Silverdale Dental, first position, Dentist Silverdale, first position. So they are hanging at number 1 for a lot of these, and a lot of these are getting a lot of search volume. So that's definitely some keywords that you're going to target and put on your website to start ranking for those and bringing those potential customers that are searching for dentists in the Silverdale area, bring them to you. Looking at one other competitor, I mean, that website, it's not too bad. There is a lot more content. It is pretty organized and clean and to the point, which is nice. Looking at their stats, again, they don't have any backlinks, but they are looking for a lot of keywords. Now, they might not all be relevant. So let's see what those are. Dentist Silverdale Law, they're on number 5. But they're kind of up there with the other ones towards the top on some of these. So like Silverdale Dentist, they're number 2. Dentist Silverdale number 3. So they're hanging close to the top on a lot of these. So that is definitely someone you can easily outrank because they don't have much going on back there. So just a couple of things that you could do to help kind of boost the traffic to your site and potentially bring you in some new patients. So yeah, I hope you liked this video, and if you have any questions, reach out, and we look forward to hearing from you. Have a good one.